Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a calculator just using Python. I'm using the Python Tkinter module here. It's very easy and very beginner friendly. So without wasting more time, let's start the video. As you can see here, I've already made a calculator here. You can see I can add any number, I can subtract any number, I can multiply any number by anything, I can divide any number. So this is what I'm going to make. So without wasting more time, let's build it. Okay guys, so as you can see I have a basic Tkinter code here. So let's start by adding a frame. Let's name it frame entry. In this frame I'm going to place the entry widget into which I'm going to show the problem, maybe math problems. Let's set the border width to 5 and then pack it. Oops. Let's anchor it to the top. Okay, fine. Now I want another frame into which I'm going to place all the keys. So for that let's add another frame. Let's name it frame keys. Let's set the border width to 5 also. Okay, now um, let's add the entry widget. Let's name it entry problem, into which I'm going to show the problem, math problem entry. I'm going to pack it inside the frame entry. So next I'm going to set the text variable. Let's say its name is problem. Let's create it also. It's going to be a string var, as it's the entry widget and it requires a string var. Let's set the font. I'm going to use Helvetica. I know it not works in Android phones, so it's going to be the default font also. Let's set the font size to 16. Then I'm going to set justify to right, so that whenever you press any key, the number adds into the right of any problem you give, and then just pack it into problem.pack. Okay, fine. Now let's add the keys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make 4 frames again, inside which I'm going to grid 4 keys each. So let's make the first frame. Let's set the border width to 5 again. 5 is my frame number, and then pack it. Okay, so inside it I'm gonna add 4 buttons, so let's build them also. And then let's pack it. Let's grid it. Row equals to 0, column equals to 0 also. Let's add some padding. Then I'm gonna copy this one. and add 3 of this. I'm sorry, add 4 of this because I want 4 buttons here. Let's change the values. Oops, sorry. Now change their comments too. Come on. Okay, so let's run the program and see. Okay, so sorry, I got an error. I forgot to declare those comments. Let's declare them. Okay, let's run this. And as you can see here, oh, one more thing that I forgot to do is to change their columns. So first one is column 0, second one should be 1, 2, and 3. Let's check it out. And as you can see, here are those buttons. Okay, so what I have to do, I'm gonna make another 3 rows. So I'll have total 4 rows in which I'll have 4 buttons each. So I'll have around 16 buttons maybe. Yeah, 16 buttons. So make them also. Let's create them also. I forgot to declare their comments. Okay, now let's run this. As you can see, I got another sets of buttons. I want 2 more. So let's copy and paste it again. Okay, let's run this and see. As you can see here, as I wanted the results, I got the same. Every button is in its own place. It looks so beautiful. Let's declare the comments. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna declare a variable here at the top of everything. Let's name it value. It's gonna be a empty text. Okay, so whenever it's about btn 7, I'm gonna at first calling the global scope and making the change of the variable value to everywhere in this program. I'm gonna changing its value. I'm adding those texts, so sure you'll never face a type error if you add text, a string. If you want to add integer numbers to here, if you have to change it to string and then you have to add it, else you're gonna have the type error. Then I'm gonna set the string verse value to the value variable, and I'm gonna copy this whole thing. Let's check whether it works. Yes, it works. So I'm gonna declare all the comments like this. Okay, so I'm done with the other keys except the equal one. Let's see whether it works or not. So as you can see, everything's working properly and perfectly. Okay, so let's declare the command of the button equal. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fetch the data from the problem, I mean the string variable. So let's say math equals to problem.get. Now the answer is eval of math. Now the eval function is a built-in function. It simply calculates any mathematical calculations. It's it's a Python feature. And then problem dot set to nothing, and then problem dot set. Okay, so problem dot set answer. Let's see whether it works or not. Let's add 3 plus 6 9. It works. 2 plus 2 4. It works. Let's see whether it works now. We got an error. So to solve this, what I'm going to do, I will simply, okay, so as I'm not using this one, let's remove this, and then I'm going to use a try except block. Let's put it, let's add an tab, and then except exception as e. I'm going to just print it. Okay, let's check it. It triggers a problem, and you can see here leading zero, I'm sorry, leading zeros in decimal integers are not permitted. Use an zero or prefix for octal integers. Okay, so to solve it, what I'll do, I'm gonna check if math 0, I'm checking whether the zeroth character of the problem math is 0. Math equals to, I mean what I want to mean here in this line, that cut down the 0 from the very first and continue reading from the this first index, and then I'm gonna put another indentation, sorry. Let's check whether it works or not. It works. In case you cannot see, let me just do it again. It works. Okay guys, so this was for today. I want you guys to make it more attractive as you can. So I hope the video helped you guys. If so, then smash the like button, share this video as much as possible, comment down that if you want more videos or more projects like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.